You just found the 2019 INFINITI QX80. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to adventure in unprecedented style and comfort in this QX80. From its bold beauty and brawny strength to its sophisticated and spacious interior, this luxury SUV offers an utterly civilized approach to exploring your world. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, trip computer, power windows. Add a big dash of luxury to every adventure in this refined QX80. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.